Hey everyone, welcome back to Turtle Code. Today we are going to create a super fun and simple game using Python's Turtle library. It's called Catch the Ball. The goal of the game is to catch a falling ball using a paddle. As you catch more balls, the game gets harder because the ball speeds up. Let's first see game in action and then I will explain the code step by step. You may not know about the Turtle library. There's a playlist about Python Turtle on my YouTube channel. You can start learning the Turtle library by following the playlist. We start by creating the game window using the Turtle library. I also imported the random and time modules to make the game. The tracer line is important because it prevents the screen from constantly refreshing, making the game smoother. Next, we create the pedal. This will be the object that player controls. Now let's create the ball that the player has to catch. We gave the ball an initial position at the top of the screen and a downward speed of -2 with the ball.dy variable. To make the game more engaging, we added a score counter. Here's how we did it. This displays the score at the top of the screen, which updates every time the player catches the ball. Now let's make the pedal move using the keyboard controls. These functions move the pedal left or right, but we also ensure it doesn't go off screen. Finally, let's put everything together in the game loop. This loop updates the ball's position, checks for collisions with the pedal, resets the ball if it hits the ground, and updates the score. And that's it. We have just created a simple and fun game in Python. You can customize this game by changing the ball speed, the pedal size, or even adding more features like multiple balls. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.